What's going on, guys? In this episode of Should I Buy, we will be talking about the most popular ticker, Tesla, Kathy Woods' favorite, and we're going to dive in, do some nitty-gritty financial research, and understand whether or not Tesla is a good buy or not. All right, and to do that, we have MARKETSMITH tool up right here, which is going to help us with that due diligence, with that financial research, wonderful charts, and we'll also have our Excel sheet that at the end is going to give us whether that ticker is a pass or a fail. And also we have Yahoo Finance to help us with a little bit more information. All right, so without further ado, let's dive right in. I'm going to open MARKETSMITH right here. Top left side, we're going to put in Tesla. Tesla's right up there. Perfect. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up our handy dandy Excel sheet. We're going to type in the ticker Tesla. You can see a few of the criteria have already been automatically populated. All right, we have EPS, PE, all is there. The next thing we're looking for is return on equity. And in order to find that, we're going to jump into MARKETSMITH right here. You can see return on equity is right there at 29%. All right, so we're going to plug that in. Perfect. Now we get another green number. Remember, the Excel sheet wants more green numbers. The more green numbers we have, the better, and the more chances of getting a pass near the end. All right, so the next thing we're looking for here is total assets and total debt. All right, so we're going to use Yahoo Finance. We're going to go to Financials tab. We're going to check balance sheet, and we're looking at total assets. So total assets right here, we have 62 million. We're going to put that right there. And then we're going to look at total liabilities, which is our total debt. It's 30 million. All right, perfect. So we have a total debt to asset ratio of 2.3. This is great. This is another positive. We have another green box here, which adds up to our total at the end there to help us with the pass or fail. Now we got to look at current debt and current assets. All right, so when we come up here, we have total current assets. All right, we're going to plug that right here. And then we're going to look at total current liabilities. All right. Remember, these are things that need to be paid off in the next 12 months. So there we go. All right. So again, a current debt to asset ratio again of 1.38. Now we need to look at the operating income versus the total revenue. And how do we do that? Well, we're going to go to income statement. Okay. An income statement, we're looking at operating income versus total revenue. All right. So we have our total revenue right here. We're going to plug that right here. And then what we're looking for is operating income. All right, and that's right here. Perfect. So what do we have here again? That's the income statement balance. All right, and we have a 17%. So that again is another green indicator for the Excel sheet here. Now the next thing we need to look at is cash flow. So we're going to click on cash flow. We're going to come down and see whether or not this cash flow is increasing or decreasing. Guys, take a look at this. 2029 December 30th, 968,000. 2020 December 31st, 2 million. 2021 December 31st, 3.4 million. And then we have the trailing 12 months, 8.9 million. So what's happening here? Is the cash flow increasing or decreasing? It is increasing. Now we need to know how much of this is owned by management, and to do that, we're going to dive into MARKETSMITH again, and we're going to look right here to the left side. It says management owned right here. Oops, there we go. Let me get this up here. Management owned 25%. All right, so you can take a look that is definitely there, and the number that we're looking for is pretty good, 25%. That means management is putting their money where their mouth is. They believe in the company. All right. Funds ownership, is it increasing or decreasing in the last year? And in order to find out, we're going to come right here on the funds ownership page, and we're going to take a look. All right. So let's take a look at this. We have 2598. We have 277, 297, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39. So even though price has come down drastically till December 22nd, December 2022, we could see price has come down significantly for Tesla, right? However, what's happening is the funds are still loading up. We haven't lost any funds here. So again, to answer the question, are funds ownership increasing or decreasing? It is increasing, right? So you can see it's a hard pass here with all the green tabs we have across the board on Tesla. This is a great indicator. All right, so the Excel sheet tells us it's a pass. Everything else we looked at is a great indicator that this is a fundamentally sound company at the moment, and everything looks good to start investing this on the long term. All right. So again, do your due diligence. Make sure you understand what it is that you are owning, and make sure you do these type of research and not just buy based on emotions. All right, guys. So based on the research that we did today and the Excel sheet that I have provided, it does give us a pass, and this is something that I will be cost averaging down in the time to come. All right, guys. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any recommendation of some stocks that you want to see me do some research on, please go ahead, comment it down below, and I will be sure to let you guys know. Again, the tool I'm using is MARKETSMITH. If you guys want a free trial, click the link down below in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.